Hello students, let's go over the infinite governor. Solve for y. Okay, I'm going to rewrite it over here. We got 2y plus a 4x equaling a negative 20. So we're going to solve for y. So we got to isolate y. Normally when you solve for y, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get rid of the x value. We don't want you over here anymore. 4x, move over here. You're gone. 2y is going to equal a negative 4x minus a 20. It's best practice to have the x value closer to the equal sign. You'll understand in the future, so just trust me for now, please. Divide everything by a 2. Okay. Technically, again, I am kind of skipping one step. There are some math teachers who'd probably get upset at me because I didn't write this first. Okay. That's what it should look like, I guess, but this is more efficient because when you take a group and you divide by 2, it's the same thing as dividing the individuals by 2. Okay? So I take the left side, divide by 2, but it's actually more efficient to write it that way. So cool. Divide everything by 2. Y is going to be all by itself. Finally, negative 4 divided by 2 is going to be a negative 2. X comes along for the ride. Negative 20 divided by 2 is a minus 10. So I made these multiple choice because just to make it easier, because there's lots of ways. If you type a negative 2x minus 10, there's a lot of ways you could type it in wrong. So I just made it easy for everybody and made it multiple choice. Let's see here. Y equals negative 2x minus 10. There you are. Got you. All right. So solving for y, your number one move 90,000% of the time is going to be removing the x value. Just move it to the other side. If it's positive, subtract it. If it's negative, add it. And then you want to remove the multiplication connection by division. Now the tricky part is making sure you divide everything by 2. You'll have an x value and you'll have a number because they're different terms. X values and numbers cannot combine, so you must divide them by 2 individually. Do your math, find the right one, and then you'll win the infinite governor.